Hi, boys and girls. Something I always hold up, and this is the old-fashioned Zippo lighter. Won't light it, but excuse me. Today's topic is pretty interesting. This is for DIY solar homestead. Let me get a lozenge. Um, he was going to get Marla back, which is good, and then I do other things. Mostly I do survival stuff. And if you look right back over here on the couch, I did get a good find. Uncle Alan does teach people on certain things about survival, prepping, shooting, and gives me a big headache. Also raises my blood pressure up. So normally I don't concern myself. Damn it. Never get this hat right. Okay, many guys use this, which is good. What I wanted to show you is Food Saver. Okay, this is one of the tricks I use. You see that? I got the film, I got the pouches. This is combination pack. And I have easy to peel and everything. This model, I put this over there. Whoops, got one more, it's big. I put my hose pump attachment to it. Now, so this is a new one to replace my old one. Uncle Al doesn't have cash, but he does wheel and deal. So I traded services and I got the bags and the new Food Saver vacuum packer, which saves me a lot. Also, when I use Mylar, Food Saver bags are good for everyday use and within a year's time use. Mylar is for long-term storage. And with that new Food Saver device, it's a sealer and it's a vacuum pump, which I can attach an attachment, it's a hose, and it has a little doohickey holds the lid, goes over it. Once the air all sucked up, squeeze the lid on tight, vacuum inside, and it seals everything in a vacuum type seal. Okay, a lot of people didn't know that. Also, I have a bleeder, hand pump bleeder for brakes and stuff that I could pop that off only for use it for food storage, but I have that in case we don't have power and I could still store things in airtight seal and this, and I also have adapter for the bags. So you learn something from crazy old Uncle Al. Now a lot of you people remember about this, and once you open a bag like this, or a Food Saver bag or Mylar bag, you have to have some way to seal it. A lot of you use paper clips. Uncle Alan uses AA batteries. I forget there's 4 of them or 2 of them. 2 of them in this unit. And it has a little sealer unit right here. Okay, see that? Sealer unit. And a switch right there. So when I use it, seal it, and nothing comes out. This has been cut and used a couple of times. So you could use that on your sealer bags. I don't recommend it for sealing it. I do recommend it for resealing. This is only used for resealing bags. I think I have a little coffee. Uncle Alan's been going since 4:30 in the morning. Again, pushing this one. Survival Mom. Let's put that over there, that book. I hope everybody gets it. You can buy it on Amazon. It's a really good book, especially for you lady preppers out there. That's not a pistol belt, that's a tool belt. Okay, now what was I saying? Oh yeah, about Mylar bags. You gotta be careful. It's fine inside the buckets once it's in the bag. You can store away a lot of foods. Your big problem is temperature, vermin, sunlight. Okay, and that should be fine. Another thing, the food product. Now, a lot of people just bought a bunch of these freeze-dried food makers. Uncle Alan in the old days made his own because Uncle Alan knows what's he doing, and he's tough as hell. And a lot of people look at me like, "You made your own?" And they seen before my homestead was destroyed. They seen my mom. They freak out. How much did it cost you? $500. But there's dangers to it. A lot of kids don't know what they're doing with these new freeze-dried packers. Now, one, oil and fats never freeze dry. It stays the same. Okay? It doesn't crystallize, it doesn't evaporate, it doesn't turn to moisture. However, it does oxidize and change form. So you have to be careful when you're putting freeze drying any foods like that. Okay? Two, same goes for the dehydrator. Oils and fats do not dehydrate. Water does. Tissue does. Okay? So if you're going to, getting old, get a food saver bag. Okay, see all the different food products. Okay, you can't see too clear. My camera's kind of crap. But you do bulk, which is good. And you do portion control, plan meals ahead for travel use. All these. And it's a fairly good bag, too. So you go look and check out Food Savers. Now, I'm trying to keep this very short. So shout out list. First, DUI Solar Homestead. Okay. Hubble's Cat. All right. I forgot who the heck got the freeze dryer. Somebody did. I can't remember who it is. I think it was City Prepper. Yes, City Prepper. Uncle Alan's getting old and his brain's going blah, 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 blah. Okay. Corsair trainers. Hey, Steve. You should hook up with City Prepper. I think you're about an hour's way drive. Excuse me. City Prepper. You have to be careful on fats and oils. They don't freeze dried and you might end up with a product. Because avocado, I tried freeze drying for our church. We do have a freeze dryer there. And I told them you have to be really careful and check the oil on the pumps and gaskets. And they look at me like, dude, I don't know, Uncle Alan. This is why they have me around because I always fix things. Oil consumption on the pump. After 5 times you use it, check it. 2, check the seals. I have more people screw up on that. Okay? Wipe it out carefully. Check the seals and bleeder valves. A lot of people don't do that. And they have to ship the whole thing. It's not cheap. Back to get it fixed. You do that a couple times. See how well your budget is. Okay. Walter Davis, LS, Daisy, Diane, SF Inc. Got you this time, Diane. Thank you for the shout out. Jeff Nolte, Kentucky Survival. Yeah, nobody ever watches my videos. Can't help it. Cure Dealer Survival, Savage Survival, Just in Time Prepping. Today's Monday. Please check out his channel. He's doing security before and after an SHTF. Okay. Step 1 Survival. Don't forget, tonight is Just in Time Prepping with Will Russell. Check out Will's Monday night event. And Full Spectrum Survival with Brad and Kelly. AKO Forging and Survival Adventures. Hey, Zach and Brenda. And that's it. I can mention more, and also my favorite little gamer. There we go. My favorite little gamer, Bethany Myers. I think she dyed her hair orange or blonde or something and dyed it orange. Okay, girls. Good coffee. Anyway, that's about it for today, folks. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe right down there. I'm Old Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. Check out my PayPal donation if you got a couple bucks to spare. Um, enough for a coffee or 2 coffees, send it over because I got to upgrade my equipment. Right now, I'm using a camera that has more duct tape. I have a table lamp, room lighting, and that's it. The food saver stuff, I got it for a trade. I'm better at that than his dad on YouTube. And how to wicked dealing with deal and stuff. And my information is what I use to trade things because Uncle Alan knows a lot of stuff. Okay, that's how I got the food saver stuff and the new one. So anyway, kids, I'll catch you later. Oh, sorry about this Ontario Prepper. Forgot about Dino. He had me hidden. It was very dark. Sorry about that Ontario Prepper. I just put Dino up, but this was too important, too serious. So I'll catch you later, kids. Bye.